Good morning students. 7th class science. Today we will start new chapter number 4, heat. Firstly, what is the meaning of heat? Heat means sensation of warmth. Sensation of warmth. When you are feeling, you are sensing anything is warm, anything is hot, means it is due to heat. Like when you rub your hands together, which energy is producing in your hands? It is kinetic energy. Which energy is producing in your hands? Kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy produced due to motion. Energy produced due to motion. Motion means when anything is moving. Like we are rubbing our hands means our hands are moving. Energy produced due to motion, due to movement of our hands, that energy is called kinetic energy. When we are rubbing our hands, then which energy is produced in our hands? Kinetic energy. This energy is changed into heat energy. Like when you are rubbing your hands, after some times what you will feel? You will feel that your hands will becomes warm. Why? Because kinetic energy produced in your hands will change into heat energy. That's why we are feeling our hand warm. Like second example, like when you are putting an iron nail made up of iron, when you are putting an iron nail into the wood with the help of hammer, then we are with the help of hammer, then which type of energy is producing? Mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Energy produced due to any machine. Here what is a machine? Here which hammer you are using, that hammer is working as a machine. Energy produced due to machine, that energy is called mechanical energy. When you will touch the nail, then what you will feel? You will feel that nail will becomes hot. Why? Because here mechanical energy is produced into heat energy. That's why the iron nail will becomes hot. Third example, when you are stirring and water in the mixture, you are having a mixture. When you stir the water with the help of any stirrer, when you stir the water, what you will feel? You will feel that water will becomes hot. Why the water will becomes hot? Because mechanical energy produced due to stirrer, that will change into the heat energy. That's why we will feel that water will becomes hot. Any another example, like example of scooter, car, bus, in that which energy is produced? Mechanical energy. Why mechanical energy is produced? Because that are also working with the help of machinery. That's why in cars, scooters, which energy is produced? Mechanical energy. Engine of car or scooter, that will also becomes hot after some times. Why? Because here also mechanical energy will change into the heat energy. These are the examples which we are seeing in our daily life. Any another examples also you can take. Now I will tell you the definition, exact definition of heat. What is the heat? Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness or coldness. Heat is a form of energy. It is a type of energy. Heat is also a type of energy, like kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy. Same way heat is also a form of, also a type of energy which causes the sensation of, sensation means feeling of hotness or coldness. When the body is heated, when we are heating any body, when the body is heated, then the energy is increasing. and when the body is cooling, then the energy is decreasing. Heat is measured by the change in degree of hotness or coldness. Means if hotness is more, heat energy is more. If hotness is less, then heat energy is less. So by change in the degree of hotness or by change in the degree of coldness, we can measure the heat. Now our next topic is unit of heat. Units of heat. What is the meaning of unit? Like if you want to measure the length, how you are measuring the length? In form of meter or in form of kilometer. These are called the units of length. Same way, if you want to measure the energy, then how heat, then how you will measure the heat? There are two types of units of heat. One is non-SI unit and second is SI unit. Non-SI unit or SI unit. Non-SI unit, calorie or kilocalorie. Non-SI units are calorie, kilocalorie. These are the older unit of heat. Means in older time, in ancient time, these units were used. Why these are called non-SI? What is the meaning of SI? SI means standard international. Means which units are used at international level, that units are called SI units, and which are not used at international level, only at in some like you can say in some countries that are using, that are called non-SI units. What is the SI unit of heat? SI unit of heat is joule. How we are measuring? What is the SI unit of heat? Joule. Now you can see the relationship, like 1 kilojoule. Kilojoule, how we are writing? kJ also you can write. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joule. Like if you want to convert, any numerical can come. Like if you want to convert 3 kilojoule into joule, then how you will measure? How you can convert? 3 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 3000 joule. Same way, 1 kilocalorie, that is equal to 1000 calorie. And 1 calorie, if you want to convert the calorie into joule, then how you will convert? 4.184 joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. Like if energy is given in form of calorie, you want to convert that energy into joule, then you will multiply it with 4.184. Next topic I will tell you afterward. Now thank you.